Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing for Birchbox. This is for the month of October. And the card inside says turn over a new leaf. Have all of our products listed on the card. And I think this is the one that I got to choose this month if I'm remembering correctly. This is a hair shield. Says it's heat protecting shield for long or damaged hair, which my hair is incredibly long right now, so I will definitely use that. And that's a pretty big sample size as well. We also have another really decent sample size by Murad, which is a pretty good company. This is Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. Probably use that about now. This is the time of the year where my skin starts freaking out, so it's currently really oily, and in another month it's going to be extremely dry because, you know, cool skin over here can't make up its mind. Let's see, what is this? Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Fining Face Mask. That's cool. Let's see if it's actually pink. Oh yeah, it does have a pink clay color to it. So that's awesome. Smells like clay too, nothing too spectacular going on there. Next up we have a vitamin E facial moisturizer. Pretty certain I have gotten this in the past. I can always use moisturizer though, especially now that winter's coming. And the last item, probably going to butcher that, so I'm not even going to try. This is just a black eyeliner, waterproof eyeliner. Pretty good box this month, a lot of items. I think actually all these I'll actually use. So sometimes I'll get like a bronzer, blush, or something that I won't use, but all these I could say I will definitely use. And I have my Halloween nails on. I've been getting a lot of comments about these. These are my Color Street nails, and the pumpkins are called Oh My Gourd. So I'll put a link below in case you're interested, but I love them. I think they're really cool. So that is what I got this month. If you guys are interested in signing up for Birchbox, I'll have all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.